In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to install Qustodio on Windows 10. So let's get started. Well, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. The first thing you need to understand is that Qustodio is a parental controlled software, which means it's a program that allows parents to monitor and manage how a child uses a computer, including their screen time, the websites they visit, and the apps they use. To start, open your web browser and go to the official Qustodio website. This one. It's important to download it from the official site to avoid fake or unsafe versions. And now once you're on the website, you want to head to products and head to downloads, and here you can just go ahead and choose Windows as your device and go ahead and download. Now I have already went ahead and downloaded because it takes quite a bit of time to download, and I wouldn't want to hold you onto the video and seeing me download all of that stuff, so I'm just gonna tell you by tongue how it all happens. So the file that downloads will usually be an installer file, like on my desktop. Let me show you how that looks like. This will be an .exe file, an installer file, which is a small setup program that installs the full software onto your computer. And after the download finishes, you just want to open the file from your downloads folder, and Windows may show a security pop-up asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You want to just go ahead and click yes to continue, and the Qustodio setup wizard will open, which is a setup wizard is a step-by-step installation guide that walks you through the process. Now you just want to follow the instructions on the screen, agree to the terms and conditions, and sign in with your Qustodio account. If you don't have one, you will need to create one using your email and password. Now, during setup, you'll choose whether this device is for a parent or a child, so make sure to select the correct option. And once the installation is complete, Qustodio will run in the background, meaning it works without you having to keep it open, and you can then manage the settings from the online dashboard. And that's it. Qustodio is now installed on your Windows 10 computer. So let me go ahead and open Qustodio. Oh, that's the installer. I think I had it open, right? Okay. So yeah, Qustodio is already running in my background. I had already downloaded it and it's already running on my background. So I can enable the protection, but if I enable protection, it will start, because I haven't configured it yet, it will go ahead and close all of my browser tabs, and that'll be quite annoying because I'm recording right now. So what you want to do is you want to head to your online website. You want to go ahead and log in with your account that you created on Qustodio. I have done so right here. Okay, wait a second. So yeah, this is the dashboard, the online dashboard that we're talking about. So once you're logged in with your account, I have made this is in a profile. This is basically my computer. It's connected to my computer, the one that I've downloaded on my computer. Now I can just go ahead and set up the rules I want to. So let's just go ahead and set up some rules. So obviously block inappropriate content, customize alerts, and manage screen time. So let's go ahead and press next. You can have blocked apps, so you can go ahead and add blocked apps, whatever it be, social media, Discord, or anything like that, entertainment, gaming. I can go ahead and put a timer or block their Fortnite completely from my online dashboard. I can go ahead and obviously after I go ahead and click in on it, and then you can save and go to next. Next up we have their web categories, the kind of content that you don't want them to show up on the web browser. Go ahead and click next. Some search alerts, so you will get notified when your child interacts with some of these concerning content. And like this, you can just their daily limit, free screen time. Like this, you can go ahead and set up however you want their device, their PC, and yeah, that's how Qustodio will manage your child's screen time and everything they do on their PC. Simple as that. So I hope this video helps you guys out, and I hope now you know how to download and set up Qustodio on your device. And well, that'll be for today, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.